Hello friends, कैसे हो? I hope you are all are doing good and you are taking care of yourself, you are eating right and you are just doing the exercise also right. आप योग भी कर रहे हो और मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट आप बाहर नहीं जा रहे हो, आप सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग भी फॉलो कर रहे हो. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी यू आर फॉलोइंग ऑल. इफ नॉट, प्लीज़ फॉलो नाउ. Today I am here just to talk with you something about immunity. In last two videos I did talk about immunity with you, and today I want to bit elaborate on what do I mean with this immunity. How are you going to check this immunity? Now, checking this immunity, when I say that immunity is within you, it is right in your body. It is from there where it expresses its outside, and the resistance come from within, not from outside. So it does mean that it must be expressing itself from the exterior also. So today I'm just going to talk about what is the role of your body. How can we just look at a person and say his immunity is good or bad? Certain points are important. Immunity, if we call it as a Vigyanmay Kosh, then it has a deepest presence, and it has a relation to the Manomay Kosh and Annamay Kosh. Annamay Kosh, your exterior. So if we just see this Annamay Kosh, we can understand how the immunity is, how the organs are functioning, and what is the state of organs. To have a good immunity, your cells should be good. If you have good cells, your functions are good. If you have good functions, your organ is good, then your systemic health is also good. Now, what is systemic health? Systemic health means three, four organs, they combine together, they form a system and they work for a common cause, like digestive system, esophagus, stomach, intestine, large intestine, rectum. So, digestive or alimentary system, we can call it. Cardiovascular system, all the blood vessels and the heart. So, this is system. So, you need cellular health, functional health, and systemic health. And to know this, whether it is right or wrong, you did not every time go to the doctor, go to the laboratory diagnostic centers or big diagnostic units and get yourself checked for everything, because they will only find when there is a defect in that particular organ, or we call it as pre-pathological and pathological changes. So how is it that you are going to diagnose this before? The tool is you. The tool is called anthropometry. What is anthropometry? Study of your body, study of your external existence. I will call it in this way. So now what are you going to do? You are going to watch this right from your head to your toe. What are you going to watch? Your forehead. Is it having any discoloration? It is having any tans? The temples, your cheeks, under your eyes, your nose, your chin, next to your lips, and next to your chin, your neck, your elbows, the fold of your elbows, your knuckles, your dorsum of hand, your knees, your ankles, your back. Now, the skin discoloration will tell you a lot of things. Every part is connected to an organ. So, if you are having skin discolorations, then you have to be pretty conscious about it. It could just mean it is the start of some disorder inside and you are not conscious. Then the tanning is there, and at the same time, if there is thickened skin appearance, especially behind the neck, under your neck, on this part, under your skin, this part, on upper part of your neck, this side, then behind your elbow, knees, legs. If there is thickened skin, is again a disturbance of immunity. The immune organs, the immune functions are not right. So you have to be careful. Next is the amount of fat you are carrying. Now generally we are interested on the weight, the weighing scale weight. We just calculate the BMI and we calculate other things. But most important is, where is this fat? Now if this fat is in your neck, it means different. If there are neck folds, it is different. If it is under your chin, it is different. If it is on this part, it is different. If it is cheeks, different. If it is on the shoulder and upper arm, it means different. If it is just on these parts, you must have seen lots of people having folds here, right? So if it is here, it's different. If it is in the abs, it is different. Only thighs and bum and buttock, different. So your fat fold also gives a proper indication, just as it gives indication of your hormonal things, but it also guides to the immune system. The way you stand, are you straight erect, are you leaned backward, or are you leaning forward? This also gives lots of information. So standing rightly or posture is very important. So to sum up, your skin, your fat fold, and your posture, first 3 points, these are very important in anthropometric assessment. In our tool we assess all these things. In our first tool, we assess your organ function, Raksha Kavach or the immunity. Then we see the type of disorders you may have. We see the koshas, the vayu, the chakras, and we also see the psychological aspect of you. So that is the first tool we have. It is a non-invasive tool. You could just use it and you could just give the answers, and we are going to give you the best report which anyone can have. And it talks about immunity also. And if you want, we can convert these values into COVID possibility. What does that mean? It means whether you will have COVID or not. Yes, till today you must not have heard this term. We will tell you through this yogic test called as Yodha's Raksha Kavach test whether you are going to have COVID or not. So if you are having possibility, you can just take care. You can take proper suggestion, treatment from anyone or from us, and you could just raise the bar within your body and you could get rid of this possibility. So that is the thing what we give. Now the 3 points I said, the skin, the fat, and your posture. Now the fourth point that is important is I always observe the eyes. The distance between the eyes when you are removing the photograph, what is the expression in your eye? It just tells you, this face tells a lot of things, It's just not about beauty, charm, and nice features, but it gives you a proper understanding of what's happening within you at the level of your body, level of your immunity, and also at the level of your brain or your mind. So your face, your expression on the face, your type of skin you have, the charm, the aura you just reflect outside, that gives me proper idea of what's happening within you, so we can understand that. And this all has to be natural, but if I'm watching your face and if you're doing just a spa treatment or some facial, it's of no use. It's just exterior. Whatever comes from inside, it expresses, right? So all this data helps us in understanding you yourself. All answers are within you, and everything that is within you is expressed outside. It is only whether you are conscious to observe it. So next time when you stand in front of a mirror, don't just watch your hairs or just a little bit of that talcum powder you have, but observe your eyes, your forehead, your ears, your face, your neck, your chin, your cheeks, your lower chin, your shoulders, your body, your proportion, your side folds if any, your legs, your feet, your hands, your nails. If you observe all these, you can yourself diagnose a lot of things, So that is all I wanted to say to you. Please observe yourself. You could find lots of questions which could arise later. The clues could be just within your body. Be aware. If you require any help from me on professional basis, I am always available for you. Do contact me, do reach me, and do try using our apps and our tools. It's like the doctor, the diagnostic field is at your doorstep. रक्षा से रक्षा कवच आपके घर तक, आपके घर ही बनाए आपका खुद का दवाखाना. On this note, I think so. I want you to be aware of your body. So increase the awareness a bit more. Next video, we will raise the bar of awareness more. Till then, good night. Take care. Atma Malik.